Nissan has over 62 years of truck heritage. In the U.S., you'll recall that we started off with a Nissan hardbody in the 1980s, and we've just continued to build onto that tradition.
Today, we've come together to celebrate the official start of production for the all-new Mississippi-built Nissan Frontier.
I can't tell you how proud I am of this decision that has been made to manufacture the 2022 Frontier right here in Canton, Mississippi. The folks at this company made this decision because it was in the best interest of the company. The reason it's in the best interest of the company is because the over 5,000 people who work underneath this roof every single day.
It means a lot to everybody here, everybody who's put in so many hours and years really working on this vehicle, working on this truck since we've been building it here since 2012. And it really is, it shows the commitment of Nissan to manufacturing in Mississippi and continuing to introduce advanced technologies into the manufacturing process. Some of the new features are obviously all the technology features. It's not only the technology features on the interior that help with the drivability, but also on the durability, the handling, and the driving and the capability of the truck itself. I will say I've been in the auto industry for quite a long time and have done quite a few projects, but I will say I'm extremely honored and humbled to be able to work with this team of over 5,000 employees. Really, it's been a project to see it come to life and really see the excitement around the product from everybody in here who's worked on it, the people on the other lines that are building the Ultimas every day, still excited about the Frontier, and really I'm just so honored and humbled to be a part of it.